When it comes to finding the best architectural designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a top choice. With their commitment to excellence and innovative design solutions, SCON Design has established itself as a leading architectural firm in the region. Their team of talented designers have a deep understanding of the industry and are able to create designs that not only meet the functional requirements of a space, but also elevate it to new heights of aesthetic appeal. They believe that effective communication is key to a successful project, and they take the time to listen to their clients' needs and desires. This collaborative approach ensures that the final design is a true reflection of the client's vision, while also taking into consideration practical constraints such as budget and timeline. Another factor that sets SCON Design apart is their commitment to sustainability. They understand the importance of designing spaces that are environmentally friendly and energy efficient. With their expertise in sustainable design practices, they are able to incorporate features such as natural lighting, passive cooling systems, and rainwater harvesting into their designs. By prioritizing sustainability, SCON Design not only creates spaces that are good for the environment, but also for the people who inhabit them. In conclusion, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is undoubtedly one of the best architectural designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Their commitment to excellence, innovative design solutions, and collaborative approach make them a top choice for clients looking for exceptional architectural designs. With their portfolio of successful projects and expertise in sustainable design practices, SCON Design continues to set the bar high in the industry. When it comes to finding the best architectural designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as one of the top choices. With their expertise and experience in the field, SCON Design has earned a reputation for delivering high-quality architectural designs that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. They have a team of talented and skilled designers who are dedicated to creating innovative and sustainable designs that cater to the specific needs and preferences of their clients. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has emerged as one of the best architectural design firms in Marathahalli, Bangalore due to their commitment to excellence and attention to detail. They understand that each project is unique and requires a personalized approach. Their team of designers takes the time to thoroughly understand the client's requirements, budget, and timeline, ensuring that the final design meets their expectations. The expertise of SCON Design extends beyond just architectural design. They also offer a range of services including interior design, landscape design, and project management. This holistic approach allows them to provide comprehensive solutions to their clients, ensuring a seamless and cohesive design throughout the entire project. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered one of the best architectural designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore is their ability to blend functionality with aesthetics.